Hello everybody, and today we are playing Minecraft. I'm here with my friend, Console Penguin. What does BRB mean? Well, as I said in the last video, we were going to build a house. I might not do that. I might go mining instead. Maybe. Oh yeah, my stuff. Okay, so I said this would be 3 parts, but it's not. It's going to be a series that is as long as I want it to be. It could go over 100 parts, but yeah, this is not going to be a 3-part series. This is my stuff. Take that. Maybe one of my cookies. Eat it. Oh god, I destroyed a window. There we go. Let's go down. And let's go check out these houses. Because I'm not going to build a house. I'm just going to go mining. Chest. That's empty. Okay, let's go mining. Yes, girls hang out. Okay, I'm just trying to go find mine. There it is. Yeah. Okay. So let's get to mining. Let's go. There we go. To the mines. This is my job. My job is to mine. If you want to know how I got this job, you just do this. To get a job, you just do /job join. You could either do join miner, or you could do join wood cutter. I'm a miner, so that's why I came here to mine. I've already found some iron. That's how I have a whole set of armor. Okay, let's keep mining. Can I be in your effect? Yay. Let me check my money. I have $557. Nice. Let's keep mining. Mining all day. Yay. Did he invite him to a fraction or what? I don't know. I just keep mining. I think that's enough mining. Well, actually, it's going to be quick to finish. Just need to do this part. And I'm done. Done. Mining. I earn money. I earn money. See? Look at my balance now. See? I have $837. Holy moly. See what's in this chest. It's just some coal. Wow, you earned getting wood. It's a beginning achievement, man. BRB. Gotta go? What does BRB mean? Let's continue building this house. Ah, God, what, where am I? Gwenny, join the game. Wait a minute. I thought she said that she was Wolf Girl. I'm just gonna continue making roof parts. Ow! There we go. Break that block. Well, I guess that's it for this video. So I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to me and like and comment what you want me to do in the next one. I know this was kind of boring, maybe a lot for you guys, but I'll promise the next one will be more fun. Even more if you tell me what you want me to do. Okay? So, with that being said, I will see you in the next video.